holding on to my breath, no sound escapes. Walking on a straight line through the madness.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make plantain frittata, and here are all the things I'm going to be using to make them. So here I have plantain, I have raw bell pepper, I have green pepper, I have yellow pepper, I have mackerel, I have scotch bonnet, I have onion, I have sliced tomatoes, I have salt, I have curry, and aromat, I have parsley, and I have thyme. Then I have egg. I'll be using 10 of them, and then I have extra virgin olive oil, and I have 2 Maggi cubes. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get my plantain ready. I've already sliced them and I'm just frying them just now. So in an empty pan I'll be adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So after that I'll leave it for about 1 or 2 minutes to heat up a little bit. So after that I'll be adding my sliced onions, and after that I will stir a little bit and leave it for about 1 to 3 minutes. So after that I'll be adding my ginger and garlic, and I will stir. So I will stir and make sure that they marry each other, and I'll be adding tomatoes, my sliced tomatoes. So after this I will leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now, as you can see, the water has dried up a little bit. So now I'll be adding my yellow pepper and stir them. Yeah, make sure they get together well. Then I'll just be adding all the peppers. I'll add the green one, and then I'll be adding the red bell pepper, and stir them very well. Here I'm adding scotch bonnet. Yeah, I'm stirring them, make sure that they everything gets together. So after this I'll leave it for about 3 minutes, and I'll start stirring them again. And after this I will prepare to add all the ingredients that I've showed you earlier. So here I'm adding a little bit of thyme, and I'll be adding parsley, and I'll be adding curry, and I'll be adding aromat. Then I'll be adding 2 Maggi cubes, and I'll stir. So don't forget to use any spice of your choice if you're not comfortable in using the ones I'm using. So I'll leave it for a little bit. Now I'll be adding salt to taste, and after that I will continue to stir. So here I'm going to be adding mackerel, and I have already deboned them as well. So feel free to use any meat or fish of your choice, like hot dog, but I prefer this. Or you can use chicken sausage, you can use, you know, anyone you want, but here I'm using mackerel. So I think I'll make another video using sausage or hot dog to make this frittata. But anyways, for now this is what I'm using. I'm using yeah, mackerel to make this. So here I've already cracked the eggs, and I just added a little bit of aromat and parsley leaves, and I'm mixing it. So here I'll just stir the mixture a little bit, and I'll just off my cooker and prepare to pour my mixture into the egg. So I'm just adding them gently. And you need to be careful doing this. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to stir. I'm going to stir it and make sure that they get together properly before baking. So in an empty pan, I'm just adding a pinch of olive oil, and I'm moistening the pan so that the products will not stick when finished baking. So I'm pouring the mixture into the pan. So after this, I'll just level it. So the next thing is to start adding my plantain beautifully on top of it. Wow, look at that. Amazing.
Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
So if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more if you have not, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you and bye.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Tell me, can you hear me now? Can you hear me crying out like an animal out in the wild? I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it right. I shout your name into the night. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you. like an animal out in the wild. I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it right. I shout your name into